Hi guys, welcome back. So it's part 2.1. So we I deleted the codes that we did on part 2 and we will change it to make it better. So we will need a new sprite. So I will duplicate this eraser sprite by pressing the right button on your mouse. Then you see this duplicate. Yeah. You see the duplicate? Yeah, you press it. And now you got eraser 2. I will erase from eraser 2 to, I think, color. Okay? So then I will delete this code, but I will not get when this sprite clicked out. I will get only the erase all out. And then come to costume. And then you can make it anyway that you want it to be, but it must be able to tell the user that what color is the user using. So so let's look when I'm done. So see you when I'm done with this sprite. Okay, so I'm done with doing more costume. Okay, I did red, orange, yellow, lime green, sky blue, blue, indigo, pink, magenta, and black. And I think you should name the costume name because in this code we will need the name of the costume. And the name of the costume will tell you what color is it. So I think you should name the costume. But if you don't, it will it will be harder. Okay? It will be harder to make the codes for the color. And for the center, for this one, the codes will be the same as the part 2, the color for part 2. So, yeah, go to code, and then when this sprite clicked, change to the next costume. You will see the next costume in the looks over here. And it's between switch costume to black and switch backdrop to, like, not switch costume to black. Switch costume to the costume that you made and switch backdrop to the name of the backdrop. Yeah. So, yeah. You go to costume, get next costume out, then you put it here, and then you'll see something like this. And we will make another code by going to events and then get when the green flag is clicked. You see the green flag, right? Yes. If that is clicked, green flag clicked, you bring it out, and then you go to control, get if then, if blank then, and then no, not if then. Go get forever, and then you go to variables, and you need to make a variable. You go to make a variable. If you don't see make a variable, it's right here. Make a variable. Not make a list. Make a variable over here. Okay? You press it. Then you see something like this. And then I will name a variable color because it's going to do, and because it's going to tell you the color. So yeah, color. And this is for all sprites, not just for this sprite, because if it's for this sprite only, the the code will not work. So you get color, and then you get it out, get your sprite, get your variable out, you get I mean get you go back to variables, set color to, you get that one, and then you go to looks again, and then you will see the costume number right here. You see it? Yeah, it's this one. So yeah, and you get it out, and then you put it in set color, set the variable to what, I don't know. And if you didn't name your costume, you need to make it. You don't need to change anything. But if you name the costume, just change number to name like this. Okay? You press at the box here, then you can choose. Okay? And then it's done. We're done with the codes. So, but I'm going to put it somewhere. I think it's too small. I'm going to change it to 40. And I'm going to change this to 42. So now I got it. Okay. I want it to be at the same x-axis, so it's the same already. Okay. So, you see this, right? Okay. Okay. Costume number. This is the code that we did. Um. Oh, this is the code that we did on part 2. Okay. So I'm going to take the code out. Okay? I'm going to take it out. Okay? So, I think I will not take it out. I would go to costume number. I would change it. So, see you when I change it already, and that time I will I will be done with changing the numbers into the names. Okay? So, see you when I'm done. Okay, now I'm done changing the costume number to name and equal not to number but these colors. Okay, now I'm done. But if you have any more colors that you want to add, you can add the sprites and then you do it in this one again. And if you want to know how to change the color over here, set pen color to, you just click on it and then like this. And yeah, I will not explain anymore about these colors. And we are done. Yeah, we are done. Done. So we're done. Let's try. So the color is sky blue. Wow. Sky blue. Sky blue. What? What's happened? Second. Um, I would change color to Okay, pink. Pink. Why is pink? Where pink is blue? Um, I don't know anything. I'm not very sure right now. Does it really work? Oh, okay. Okay, it was a mistake. I must bring the costume name out and then go to variables, put the color in the variable instead of the costume name. Yeah, it should be like this. Let's check. I will go to color red and it should really work. Okay, it does work. So it was my fault that I forgot. Okay, so yeah. So would you wait me? Would you wait me? Okay. Uh, can you wait me? Um, I think you would also take a long time to change these. So I'm going to do it with you. So yeah, I'm going to do this with you. Okay, I'm done already for people who have more colors in there and they are not yet done. You can pause the video first and then you can continue later when you're done. Okay? So um I'm done. I'm done already. And I'll check. If it's color red, it should be color red. Okay. Color orange. Color yellow. Color lime green. Color green. Color sky blue or light blue, but it's really sky blue, not light blue. Next, blue, indigo, pink, magenta. Um, who thinks that magenta and pink are not the same? Not me, because if you look carefully, you will see that the color of pink and magenta are not the same. And the color magenta, um, I saw I saw the color in the in the internet in part two, not 2.1, in part two. So I copied that color, which is um sorry, I accidentally stopped. I accidentally stopped taking the video, and okay, it's okay. But yeah, I saw this kind of magenta in the internet in part two, so I copied that color into the Scratch. Okay? Yeah. So yeah. So it does work. See you next part. Okay? Good. See you. Good luck. Okay. See you next video, part 3. Okay? Done. Bye. I hope you made the codes correctly. If it doesn't work correctly, just check it. Okay? It's okay.